Bob, what the heck? What is going on over here?
It's a puzzle.
It's a puzzle? Bob, you got to let the people at home know. Look, we got the people, we got the camera guy. So what's going on?
You want to make the step?
Hey?
You want to make the step?
Yes, your smiley face. Well, tell us what you're doing with the popcorn machine.
Yeah, just putting back. Oh, you are here?
Yes, Bob, what's his name? Chuck is here.
Yeah, just fixing back the whole assembly, you know. Just to... He cleaned everything now. And I'm about to finish it. Fixing back the filters.
So those are the filters that you said were plugged up, right?
Yeah, these are filters. Still, I think, I don't know. It's still heavy.
So what does that mean? Dolan didn't do a good job?
Dolan did a good job, but he cannot clean it that much.
So are we going to fire him?
Yeah, better, yeah.
We got to fire Dolan?
Yeah.
Hey Dolan, Bob said you're fired.
You've tried.
But the good news is Chuck is hiring for his marketing thing. You can hold the camera for him.
I don't like the looks of that.
And filter, actually this is a filter for it.
So Dolan did a good job on that
Yeah,
one?
this one is good, huh?
So maybe we should hire him back, but part-time then.
Yeah.
He can do everything
Yeah.
except this stuff.
Yeah, he's a good guy, you know.
He's a good guy, but the work not so much, right? Hit or miss, right? 50-50?
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So that's it for this popcorn machine. It's the size of me. You can fit 4 Bobs in here and 2 Dolans at the same time. And we have Bob's lovely wife here too. She's the supervisor today.
Hi.
It's bring your wife to work day today. I don't have a wife to bring, but
Yeah, girlfriend to bring.
I have a couple girlfriends I could bring, but if they all showed up at the same time, I'd be in trouble, right? So yes, for sure.
Yes.
So that's it for the popcorn machine.
And once we assemble it, I'll call you back again.
We'll call you back. You'll see a nice video of it, even though this unit is sold already. That's it for now.